Zhang Linghe is a Chinese actor. In 2025, he starred in The Best Thing. In 2024, he starred in Love's Rebellion. The same year, he also played the Princess Royal. He is known for his roles in Love Between Fairy and Devil, My Journey to You, Story of Kunning Palace, and The Princess Royal. In 2023, he starred in the costume romance drama Story of Kunning Palace and the historical drama My Journey to You. In 2020, he made his television debut in the costume romance drama Maiden Homes and also starred in the youth romance drama Sparkle Love. The following year, he appeared in the urban romance drama Love Crossed and the youth school drama Flourish in Time. In 2022, he portrayed Zhang Heng, the god of war, in the costume fairy tale drama Love Between Fairy and Devil. Zhang Linghe was born in Usha, Jiangsu in 1997. In 2016, Zhang was admitted to Nanjing Normal University and majored in electrical engineering. During his time there, he joined the Aerospace Society because of his interest in physics. After meeting an agent, he became interested in acting. In 2016, he was admitted to Nanjing Normal University and majored in electrical engineering. During his time there, he joined the Aerospace Society because of his interest in physics. In January 2021, he won the New Force of the Year award at the 5th Jingduo Network Film and Television Festival. He primarily takes roles in the Chinese drama C-drama field of film media.